Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a custom domain from Hostinger to your Systeme.io account, step by step. Whether you are setting up a funnel, blog, or course page, this tutorial will get your domain working perfectly with Systeme.io. First of all, log into your Systeme.io dashboard or create a new account. For this tutorial, I will create an account and confirm your email from your email dashboard. Like, click on this confirmation link. Now refresh the page or create your account, like your first name, last name, email address, phone number. Then click here to take advantage of this offer. Or uh, enter your email address here. Then click here. Go to your email inbox and confirm the email. Once you are in, click on your profile icon at the top right, then select custom domains. Now click add domain. Here enter your domain name without the https or www, just like your domain.com. Once you add your domain, Systeme will give you two DNS records, one CNAME and one txt. You will need to copy this over to Hostinger. So keep this tab open. Now open a new tab and log into your Hostinger account. With your credentials. Now go to the domains tab, find your domain and select DNS editor. DNS zone editor. This is where you will add the DNS records provided by Systeme.io. Back in Systeme.io and copy the CNAME record. It should look something like www pointing to your name.systeme.io. Paste that into Hostinger's DNS editor. For type, search CNAME, set the host as www and paste the target Systeme gave you. Now copy the txt record from Systeme.io. This is for domain domain verification. Back in Hostinger, choose type txt, leave the host as @ or blank, and paste the long verification text in the value field. Now click save for both records. Now the DNS changes need time to propagate. This can take a few minutes to a few hours, but usually it's pretty fast. Now go back to your systeme.io and click the verify domain button. If everything's set up correctly, your domain will be marked as verified and active. If not, wait 10 to 30 minutes and try again. And that's it. Your domain from Hostinger is now connected to Systeme.io. You can now use it for your funnels, websites, and landing pages. If this helped, give it a like, drop a comment if you got stuck, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital tools and automation tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.